Hello friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, CODER Desk. So, our today video is all about operators. So I think it's time to start video.
Welcome. Learning about the operators. So first question arises that what are operators? So, here is the definition. Operators are the symbol used to operate any function or argument that operates on one or more operand. So, again the question arises, what are operand? Operand is a variable or argument on which a particular function is to operated. So, talking about the types of operator. The first one and the most popular one is arithmetic operator. The second one, logical operator. The next one, relational operators. Other one, identity operator. And the last one is bitwise operator. Arithmetic operator are those operator who operates on number, such as for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division or finding remainder. This table shows some arithmetic operator. Here are some description of arithmetic operators. Okay, logical operator are used where the condition is to be given to specify the two given condition is true or false. It's of three types: and, or, not. And logical operator. Understand it by program example. Here too, situation is given. And is used when there is condition on both side of operator is true or false. Or logical operator. Also, understand it by program example. Here too, situation is given, but either side one is true or is used when there is condition one side of operator is true or false. Not logical operator. Understand it by program example. This operator acts only on one operand, it is Boolean. Now talking about relational operator, those are used for comparison of entities. Here this table shows various relational operator. Identity operators, as the name suggests, it tells the identity or in which type particular variable or function belong to. Try to understand it by this small set of program. Bitwise operator, it is used to perform bitwise calculation on integer. And bitwise calculation only works on integer. Thank you.